Minhaj from Bangladesh.
Assimalhakeem, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
Sheikh, I know a practicing Muslim sister who met a non-religious Hindu man from a game and she fell in love with him. She started being in a haram relationship with him and she thinks that Allah sent him to her so that she can guide him to Islam and make him Muslim from that haram relationship. And she thinks that she will repent after they get married. So Sheikh, my question is, can she make it halal by what she's doing?
Well, from her perspective, this is what she thinks. From the perspective of the non-Muslim, it is Satan who sent her his way to have freebies and to have fun in a haram relationship, and then he would ditch her like any dog would ditch a used bone. This woman is not practicing. This woman is not a real Muslim. She's not worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal, rather she's worshipping her own whims and desires, and she's destined to a front seat in hellfire. May Allah protect us. How does she have the audacity to claim that Allah Azza wa Jal sent him her way to guide him to Islam? How would she not know that Shiytan had sent him her way to get her out of the fold of Islam? May Allah protect us from such wacko.